Hey guys, so today we got our freshly swapped 1993 Toyota pickup 5VZ swap. As you can see, we have everything plugged in, charcoal canister, our K&N intake, harness. Battery was relocated to the driver's side. We had our wiring harness done by Josh Young up in Oregon. All our gauges work. Our oil pressure gauge does not work because this vehicle did not use a oil pressure gauge. This used a dummy light, so we currently have that unhooked. As you can tell, engine fits in here quite nicely, unlike the stock 3VZ that is pretty much bunched in here. A few things that still need to be set up are the cruise control motors, and we do have power steering hooked up. We used the non-ABS power steering line from a two-wheel drive to complete that. Here we got a shot of the stock 3VZ oil pan for the two-wheel drive. Clears just fine. Using the stock 3VZ oil pickup tube as well. As per the exhaust, we used a Off-Road Solutions crossover pipe that utilized the stock 5VZ manifolds. We used the ones out of the 2000 through 2004 stainless steel ones. Made it up to a MagnaFlow 2.5-inch catalytic converter and out to a 2.5-inch MagnaFlow 14-inch exhaust muffler. And I'll get you a quick sound clip of that. One notable mention, we do have a scan gauge 2 gauge hooked up to this, just to keep a closer eye on water temp and a few other things. So that pretty much wraps up the swap here. If you got any questions, go ahead and leave any questions there in the comment section below.